2025 marks the 30th anniversary of Factory 5 Racing. For over 3 decades, they've been producing affordable component cars in Massachusetts. During this time, their best-selling kit has always been the Mustang-based Shelby Cobra replica. Starting with the Mark I in 1995, the Cobra replica evolved into the Mark IV by 2010. This was intended to be the final iteration. However, entering the new year, Factory 5 decided it was time for a modern update. The result is the Factory 5 Racing Mark V. The Mark IV kits used an authentic ladder frame chassis system with vintage 4-inch round tubing, staying true to the original Shelby Cobra design. While accurate, this design limited performance. Jim Schenk, Director of Research and Development at Factory 5, explored a more advanced space frame chassis. The new design is 4 times stronger than the Mark IV, while adding only 13% more weight. It's similar to the chassis of the Type 65 coupe, which has proven reliable over 8 years of production. The cockpit floor is 2.5 inches lower, improving the center of gravity. New one-piece door frames are safer and easier to assemble. Tubular control arms have been replaced with forged aluminum. While no longer a perfect recreation of the original Shelby Cobra chassis, the Mark V introduces several perks. These include more interior space, accommodating passengers up to 6 feet 5 inches and 330 pounds. The new pedal box fits up to size 14 shoes. Even the trunk floor is lowered, offering more luggage space. Additional upgrades include self-canceling turn signals, anchored floor mats, and a revised HVAC system. The Mark V also expands engine compatibility. It supports the same options as the Mark IV, including the Ford Coyote 5.8, 427FE Big Block, and Chevy LS Series crate engines. The Mark V can also fit the Ford Godzilla engine, a 7.3-liter V8 delivering 430 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. Modifications like a Holley short air intake and aftermarket oil pan are required to fit the Godzilla engine. Factory 5 offers motor mount adapters and exhaust headers. The recommended transmission is the Tremec TKX 5-speed manual. For the exterior, the classic Shelby style remains, but with quality updates. New UV-stable dark blue gel coat replaces the red gel coat, reducing prep and paint costs. Round headlights are upgraded to DOT-compliant LEDs. Optional features include a carbon fiber hood scoop, several side pipe exhaust styles, and Factory 5's Halley brand style wheels. The biggest innovation is the new hardtop design. It swaps in within minutes, using the same mounting points as the Roadster windscreen. It includes high-visibility quarter windows and Ferrari-inspired venting. The roll bars are angled 3 degrees rearward for a sleeker roofline. Despite these changes, Factory 5 will continue offering the Mark IV for customers seeking a vintage experience. The Mark IV starts at $2,990, while the modern Mark V starts at $24,990. With options, the price can easily exceed $30,000. The 7.3-liter Godzilla engine MSRP is $8,500, bringing the total cost of a completed build to around $40,000. Factory 5 plans to release a carbon fiber hardtop in fall 2025 and a soft top edition in early 2026. Is the improved performance and convenience of the Mark V worth sacrificing the vintage authenticity of the Mark IV? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe.